Now, when it comes to using Nansen trading on mobile, you can just hit left and see your embedded Nansen wallet. You hit deposit and you can either show somebody your QR code, copy the address directly, and you can even select between the different networks we hold. Right now, as I'm recording this video, we support Solana and Base. You can also hit the share button and send your address to a friend. Now, if I were to hit withdraw, I can then choose the amount that I want to withdraw, either from the quick shortcut keys or input a number myself. And at the top right, if I hit the QR code, I can scan one of my friend's QR code directly and get the address inputted that way. Or perhaps I want to input the address manually myself, then I can hit that little address bar and I can paste over the address into the input field. If I press hit that, tap that, then the address will be saved and I can send it over. Now, when it comes to trading, similar to web, I just toggle the trade button and I can just type in what I want to do. So in this case, I will swap 100 Pengu for Sol. I hit the go button and now we begin agentic trading on mobile. And in a few seconds, I can then check the details of the execution to see if this is what I want. If I want, I can adjust the slippage. I can either put a custom amount or I just let it go auto. And if I don't want to do that, I can also adjust the speed of the trade as well. You can also look at the risk score. Now, depending on the token, you'll get more information or less information. It really just depends on the token. I can then hit execute, and in a matter of seconds, the transaction will be completed, as you see it like so. One of the beautiful things about agentic trading is that, especially if you're using it for mobile and you're on the go, you can get all of your insights directly through the chat and through the conversation you might be having with Nansen AI. Now, if you see a bullish signal and you have high conviction on a given token, you can then type directly into the chat box and make sure to toggle on trade once you're ready to trade. And then, similar to how I showed earlier, you just hit the go button and the agent will trade directly in the same conversation you were doing all of your research in. It seems like I am insufficient. So let me just adjust the amount of Sol I'm willing to execute on. And then once I'm done that, I can just hit execute, sign the transaction. In a quick few seconds, the transaction is successful. Now, lastly, if you don't want to use the agentic experience and you want the more standard quick swap experience, you can go to the second tab on mobile and you see the standard experience here. Now I can see all the details as you see below. And let's say I want to change the token that I'm swapping to. So that I can hit receive Sol here, and then I can search up whatever token that is part of Solana, or I can also change the token that I want to swap from. And as I noted before, currently we support Solana and Base, but other chains will be coming shortly soon. And voila, like that, it's done. Now in this video, we specifically focused on just the trading functionality. And so we're not covering anything else. If you do want to learn more on how to navigate Nansen mobile app in itself, make sure to check out the next video. And keep in mind, everything that we are showing here, both on web and mobile, is as of recording late 2025, early 2026. So there may be changes in the interface depending on when you're watching this video. And as always, keep in mind, none of what you see is financial advice. Please do your own research and make the decisions on whether or not you want to trade a given token for yourself. Everything here is just for educational purposes. And also, trading with Nansen does come with some jurisdiction and country restrictions. So any users that are based in Singapore, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Syria, Ukraine regions, as well as Russia, do not and cannot access the trading functionality.